Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be doing this look right here. It'll be a easy but at least easy enough for you guys to recreate. It's a fall inspiration from Boxycharm's palette that we received this month right here. It is gorgeous. It has all these different tones for the fall so that you can use, and I try to do this look simple, easy, so that you guys can recreate it for the holidays or just for a night out or a day out. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. It is a shorter version. I don't do my full face, just mainly focus on the eyes. This tutorial was requested. Shout out to Jimena. Alright, so we're gonna get started with this tutorial. I did do one eye already, so this could go a lot quicker and faster for you guys. So we're gonna be using this month's Boxycharm palette, which is called Ace Beauty, I believe is what it's called, it's Grace Beauty, and the name of the palette is called Grandiose palette, I think. Could be wrong, I don't know, sorry. Which is this right here. It's such a pretty palette. It screams out fall tones here. It's just gorgeous. I really like it. So this is what I created using this palette. So we're gonna do more of a simple look. This was requested, so I wanted to make sure to do something more simple, something that you can recreate. And it's easy for you to recreate, so if you guys do this look, just tag me so I can see it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in with the first color, and that color is going to be this one right here. So we're gonna jump in with Cinnamon as our base color and our transition color, and I'm gonna use Morphe brush to do this, more of a precise brush, and we're just going to start this in our crease. We're going in wiper, shield motion, but circular motions at the same time. So kind of going inside and then outside. I start by packing in the color in the middle, and then as I'm working my way out, I am spreading that eyeshadow in that circular motion, and then it'll be even throughout the eye. And again, this is just our transition color, so we don't need to add a lot, and it is very pigmented, so don't put too much when packing it. I always have a hard time right here because for some reason the color never wants to stick in my eye. It leaves like a patch right there, and I don't understand why. Now we're not going to add any more of that base color. We're just going to blend all of this for a couple of minutes, minute or two, just to make sure that we spread all of that eyeshadow. Looks pretty good. So now we're going to be using one of the brushes that came in the box as well for Boxycharm this month, and it's Luxie 121, which is a mini tapered brush. And it's more of a small precise brush, and we're gonna use this and grab Poppy, which is a maroon pink undertone kind of color, purplish, which is this one. Remember, it does have a lot of pigment, so when grabbing it, let's start at the outer corner and work our way in, so that when we don't put too much in here and then won't be able to blend it in. And again, normally I raise up my eyebrow Usually helps because I have a small lid. We're gonna work this color until it looks more like a maroon all over the lid. So we're gonna be working this for a while. I feel like I always take a long time to actually sit down and do an actual tutorial with you guys. It feels like forever every time. And we're getting down to the holidays. Oh my god, I can't believe it's like literally around the corner. And then for those of you that are new to my channel, Sammy, which is my first boy, he was born on Christmas Day, so our holiday is literally busy. Like, we are planning his birthday party already, so, and we try to do it before Christmas just so that it gives us enough time to do Christmas stuff. But man, it's hectic. So this year's gonna be the first Christmas with both of our boys, so we will see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to be crazy. Alright, I think we've added enough of this color. So we're just going to blend out whatever we have left in our brush. Alright, we're going to leave it there. And now for our final color to add on to our lid, we're going to be using Myrtle, which is a sparkly rose champagne kind of color. Wow. Look at that. That was one swipe I did. That's amazing. Look at that. All that there was still left in my finger. We're just going to fix it up with a flat brush just to make it more precise. We're going to drag it all the way to our outer corner of our eye, since we're not going to do a wing liner because we're trying to keep this simple. We're going to drag it all the way out. Okay, before I clean that off, I'm gonna get this crease a little bit more precise. So I am going to grab the smaller brush from Luxie, and that's Luxie 141, which is a mini round. And I'm going to go into that cinnamon color, which was our transition color, just to clean this up and make it a little bit more precise. And then a little bit of that poppy color. And then back with the cinnamon color again. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much the whole thing. There's really not much to it. We're just going to clean it up and add our inner corner highlight there. And then we're pretty much done with the eyes. This is simple tutorial you could do for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Always just change the colors if you don't want this type of color. And then we're just going to add our pop-up color with Luxie 111, which is this one right here. And we're going to do Jasmine, which is right here. And just pop it in our inner corner, teardrop. We're going to be using Patchouli, I believe is the color, which is this one right here, for under the brow bone. I'm going to add that there. And now we're going to add the e.l.f. We're going to add the e.l.f. eyeliner, a little line for our falsies. If you're not doing falsies, you don't need to do this step. You can just add your mascara and you're done. Now we're just going to curl our lashes. And then add a little bit of mascara. And then I'm just going to put on my falsies. Now that I'm back and done everything else, I'm going to bronze out my face using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. And I'm going to use the Laura Geller blush in Tropic Hues. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use the Cover FX glitter drops that we got from our Boxycharm this month. We're just going to tap it into our skin, and then we're going to use our beauty blender to distribute a little bit better. Just to be a little bit more extra, we're just going to use our Dose of Colors from DesixKaty's collection. And we're going to use Fuego and just add it on there because we extra like that. Now we're going to finish this look with our eyes and then we'll be all done. So we're just going to use the same colors that we use in the top. I'm going to use the Luxie 131 mini angled brush with cinnamon and then just pack it under there. And then with the smaller 131 mini round, I'm going to use the poppy color and then just darken that up a little bit. Now I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Pencil in Light Clear for the waterline. And we're going to add our lip. I think I'm going to go with a nude color. And just clean my lips up. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the Healthy Lip from Physicians Formula in All Natural Nude. To finish everything up, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you guys can notify every single time I upload. And I will, like I mentioned in my social media, I will be posting every Wednesday and every Saturday of the week. So stay tuned for that, guys. And then also comment what you guys want me to do next. Any other fall inspiration videos you guys want to see, holidays, anything simple, everyday makeup, whatever you guys want me to do, just let me know. Comment down below. So yeah, with that, I will leave you guys and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Perfect.